The difference between novice and experienced operators when digging out tree stump. First, the novice. He tries to pull the stump directly out of the ground, but fails twice. He then extends the bucket forward, digs into the soil, and hooks the roots to pull. However, when he lifts the boom, the excavator tips up. Clearly, this method isn't effective. So, he decides to dig around the stump, cutting the smaller roots. After cutting the roots, the stump is easier to extract, but this method is slow. Now, let's see how an experienced operator does it. The seasoned operator starts by digging deep in front of the stump to cut the main roots. Then, he inserts the bucket teeth under the stump, curls the bucket, and slightly lifts. Next, he pushes the arm inward and applies downward pressure on the boom to create a lever effect, significantly increasing the force. The stump is easily pried loose and can then be lifted out with.
Want to master heavy machinery? If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and follow the page. We're diving deep into essential construction skills, pro operating tips, and everything you need to know about heavy equipment. Don't miss out on your next lesson. Tap follow to join the community and build your skills with us.